Hey guys, Anna Malimon here, and I am going to answer a very basic question to one of my followers, and this is regarding Clickfunnels. It's very basic, so I will, and the reason I'm not showing you is because I don't want you to see all of my credentials, but I will show you what you need to see. Okay, so first question was, if I am unable to log in, how do I log in? And the first thing I want to show you is that there's a little link on this login page, which says forgot your password. If you click on it, you will receive an email to reset your password, and then you can come back to that same page, reset your password, click login, which is what I'm gonna do right now. Once we're logged in, it'll if you go to the very top, it says right there, let's see, funnels. You select browse funnels. If you need to create one, you haven't done one, what you can do, you can play a Clickfunnels game so they can help you create one, or you can ask me any questions. I will also respond back in either a video or personally, or whatever's more convenient for you. So here we go. If we go to, I just recently started this one specifically, and running it and stuff, so I'm gonna show you that one because let me go back for just a second and tell you, any funnels that you have, you can click on any of them and edit them, and by either going to this little edit button, little pencil looking thing, or by clicking on that funnel. Okay, so once you're in there, all that you do is click edit page. It takes you into all the details of the page, anything that you want to change here, like the heading, subheading, or the button, or if you need a pop-up, if you want to show the pop-up and see what it is, or integrate with your autoresponder, make sure that your SEO, your set up correctly, tracking codes, all of this stuff, everything is inside. If you have other specific questions on any of this, let me know. I'll be happy to answer you. Otherwise, I hope I answered your questions. I hope this is understandable. And if you're enjoying my videos, one last request I want to ask you is please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate your support. And otherwise, have an amazing day. Leave me a comment below if you have any other questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.